Hi everyone, it's Stu here from 3B, and today I'm going to be talking about my Optoma UHD 40, the 4K projector that, as I'm sure some of you may be aware, I've been having one or two problems with over the year or so that I've had it. Just to do a recap so that some of you are aware that aren't sort of fully up to speed with the story, ever since I had the projector I've been having dropouts and all sorts of issues with the projector not being able to properly receive a signal, with lots of back and forth between Optoma UK, and they were incredibly helpful, so much so in fact that they sent me a replacement unit even though the other unit seemed okay despite the dropouts. It eventually nailed it down to there being some issues with optical HDMI cables. We've been going back and forth with that a few times, and it seemed to have sorted out the problem. I still get occasionally dropouts, but certainly not as much as I did before we sort of figured out what the possible issue was. So that was fixed, and the projector predominantly 90% of the time would behave until yesterday. When the projector, as you'll see in this video, you'll hear me speak and you'll see it, just went tits up. It started to not actually project the lamp, even though it had only done, I'd imagine, 200-300 hours, and these lamps should, even on the very highest, brightest settings, should do around about 4,000 hours. Decided, or appears to have, died on me, even though I got no warning. I didn't hear any pop. You tend to hear a pop if a bulb dies immediately. I didn't get any of that. So it's going back to Optoma. Once again, they either think it's a faulty bulb or a faulty bulb driver. So we'll see what it is. It's unfortunate, but I'm grateful that Optoma are on the ball. As soon as I wrote to them this morning, I got an email before 9 o'clock from their service department, so I can never ever fault them on their service. But I really do feel there's an issue with the UHD 40. Not too sure why this particular device projector is just going a bit south, really. So I'll keep you updated. It's unfortunate. It's, you know, Optoma do great products, and the UHD 40 got, you know, I think what hi-fi projector of the year, I believe, at one point. So, you know, it's just unfortunate. These things happen. I've had hardware before that, you know, you spend a lot of money on, and unfortunately sometimes it just doesn't seem to be as reliable as other things that you get sometimes. So it's just the luck of the draw, I imagine. Yeah, so I'll keep you updated. I'm expecting Optoma to pick it up this week. I would imagine they will have it for a couple of weeks, so hopefully, fingers crossed, by the end of the month, this being November, I'll get an update and the projector back working and happy once again. So let me know your thoughts. Do you have a UHD 40 or a UHD 50? Have you had any issues with it? Did you have the issue that I had with the Optoma, with the dropouts? Do you have any other issues? Do you have any hints and tips that you can give myself and others in the settings of the projector? So that's my thoughts. I'll keep you updated. It's unfortunate, but these things happen. But Optoma, as always, have been on the ball with their service. I can never fault them on that. Okay, thanks again. Don't forget to click the bell to be alerted when I do let you know what's going on, and also give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Lovely. Thank you. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you very soon. Take care.